Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. We really greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while if you do enjoy our videos. So today we're going to be reviewing the Cartier Tank Francaise. This is the model number 2384. This is a discontinued piece, so you're not able to get this brand new, but we here at JazTime.com are able to get it used if you're looking for the specific model. And like I said, we do have the links to this watch in the description below. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So jumping right into the dial is just a very basic styled Cartier dial, which is the openly white dial with the Roman numeral hour markers. Of course, we have the railing of indices in the center, going around, following that sort of square pattern, the square patterning of rectangular shaping of the watch. And we'll see that every hour indice is marked by a boulder line as well to help landmark for easy viewing of the watch. But there's pretty much not much else to say about the dial. It is just the Cartier style, just very basic Roman numeral dial. Also with the blue sword steel hands that Cartier is known for their hour and minute hand. We do have the Swiss made at the 6 o'clock position in small text right underneath that hour 6 Roman numeral as well. The crystal is a sapphire crystal. So it is a scratch resistant sapphire crystal for the dial. We're going to go ahead and move on to the bezel now. Bezel is very simple, rectangular shaping bezel, as the case is a rectangular casing. The bezel itself is nicely brushed steel, not high polished, so it looks very nice with that openly white. But then it's helped by the top and bottom portions of the start of the bracelets. You can see a very nice, beautiful high polish from the side linkings with the 18 karat yellow gold as well between each link. As you can see, this is a two-tone watch. As we move on to the case now, the case sizing, I'll actually go ahead and show you that with my caliper here. So from side to side length, this is going to be in millimeters. We have about 20.12 millimeters, 20.18 millimeters, and from lug to lug width, we're looking at about somewhere around a 25 and a half, which is just about an inch there. So it's about an inch from lug to lug and a little bit less than an inch from side to side. So this is fairly small watch, as this is a lady's watch. Let me go ahead and show you that side profile once more. You can see nice curvature of the shape to fit on the top of the wrist for comfortability, but also matching that same patterning from the bracelet as well. You can see that same sort of roundish shape going throughout, nicely high polish as well, patterned. On the other side as well, we have that nice high polish with that same, of course, that same thing happening on the bracelet as well. Nice patterning of the high polish all the way. For the crown itself, as I did mention, this is a two-tone watch. It is 18 karat yellow gold crown with the blue cabochon spinel that Cartier is known for putting on their crowns. The movement of the watch is a quartz movement. So as we move on to the crown functions, there's no winding of the watch specifically for this Cartier Tank Francaise model. The crown's function is very simple. You just tug it once out, and then you'll be able to adjust the time bidirectionally and set the time however you like. But that's pretty much the only function of the crown for this watch, besides looking nice and pretty with that 18 karat yellow gold and that blue cabochon spinel. Moving on to the bracelet now. Bracelet is a two-tone style bracelet. Very nice usage of the 18 karat yellow gold barred in between each and every link, but then held nicely together by the sides of the high polish with the brushed steel. Truly brings nice contrast out throughout the whole bracelet as we move through it. You can see that same patterning. It doesn't decrease or taper from as other watches do. It's having the first tapering of the link downwards. Now we just have a nice continuous patterned size throughout. Okay, so let me show you where the clasp is located in the back end center here. The clasp is just a double fold over clasp, so you'll see here, or otherwise a butterfly deployment, where once both sides open up to fold over this clasp blade. So very simple, very easy to use. 1 and 2, and there we are. As I mentioned, the movement is a quartz movement, which is housed in this solid style case backing. I just want to go ahead and show you some of the engravings there. You can see the beautiful Cartier name engraved on the back there. So the Cartier name engraved on the back there with a Swiss made, and the model number right underneath that's Swiss made as well. The water resistance of this watch, I believe, is a water resistance of 30 meters, which is about 100 feet or so. And that's, of course, making sure the crown is nice pushed in tight against the case for that to keep it water resistant. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you this watch on my wrist, as this is a lady's watch, and then it does not fit an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. We're probably looking at about a 6 1/4 inch, or about 5 3/4 for this bracelet type. So it's just a small type of bracelet. But if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com, where the lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page, where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.